Hi guys, and welcome once again to another day of Tech the Things. Now today in the program I will be heading to the airport park. It's a public park and people go there to hang out and play sports and everything. So if you want to see what goes on there, just stick around with me and you will see. And remember, if you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos when it's released, click the notification bell. Now, as you know, I am traveling from Ground Zero, which is from the Owen Roberts International Airport, which is the only airport in Grand Cayman. And I'm traveling along Owen Roberts Drive. And the airport, the park is not far from there, as it's called the airport park. And if you watch any of my previous videos, you will see me passing it. So I'm heading there, and from the airport it's about 5 minutes drive if the traffic is not that bad. So where you see I just passed there, that was the Customs and Border Control headquarters, and this is the airport post office, that's what it's called. So I'm going to take my left here. As you look straight ahead, you see Sprint and also UPS there. So persons who do courier stuffs, that's the place. And this is the airport park, and you will see me head in there and show you around. Now this is the park, as I say, and if you look where I'm looking at now, it's the airport. It's the Owen Roberts International Airport, and there are various signs posted up there, and most of the signs are basically telling you keep away from the fence, keep out, prosecute, violators will be prosecuted, and so on and so forth. And if you look to that side, you can see where the airport terminals are. There are some private jet planes and also the big ones, but as you realize, I cannot go over or through the perimeter fencing, so that's the most you can see from there. And I'm gonna head inside of the park and show you around. At the end of the tour, I'm gonna show you some footage basically of the plane. I'm gonna stick around and show you when the plane takes off, when it's landing as well, because you can't come here without seeing the beautiful sight of the aeroplane. So and just to see, these are the parks, the airport park, the parking lots for vehicles. This man is trying to do a reverse maneuver. There's also bin to ensure that the place is always clean. Persons just use their garbage, they put it in the bin, or the person was not parking, he has left. So I'm just walking around and show you there's a establishment across the fence there, and the fence, the garden, or the fence garden, the garden fence, they are well taken care of by persons who do landscaping, the landscaping company. They ensure that it's always in order. So entering the park, there's a sign right there for you to read, and there's also a shopping cart. Not sure what the shopping cart is for, but it belongs to Foster's Food Fair. So by some reason it's here. And just since I've seen the shopping cart, the shopping carts, they are equipped with something that if you leave the compound of Foster's, the wheels will lock. The first time you had the cart all over the place, people would just take it and leave it. Now they ensure that it's always locked. I am not sure why that is there, or how the person take it. Maybe they lift it up, but nevertheless, let me show you around. And this place is always busy. So today I'm lucky to be around and it's not busy. This what I'm passing now, it's called sea grape tree, And as you see, some of the sea grapes there, they are green. When it's ripe, it's purple in color, sometimes red. They're I could say they are sweet. Some of the sweet. It's tangy as well. It's almost like the real grape. There's a chicken running around there. Maybe he's looking for his mate or her mate. And this is called a cabana, where people come and sit down, chill out, do some devotional stuff, or just hang out with, picnic. And I'm walking towards the swing song. We'll always have persons here come, especially the kids, come and swing around, having their joyous times. And they put sun inside here. I think it's to let if the rain falls, it will get, the water will dissipate as quickly as possible, rather than if it's clay, the water would stay there. So that's one of the reasons I think it's sun there. And this is one of the slides. So I'm just walking through and show you them. And when it gets later, you will see people here. I might just stay around and let you see what it's like when people are here. And the main feature you see inside here, they are the garbage bins, and ensure the place is always clean. You don't really find much garbage hanging around, and that's really commendable. There's another slide here. This is a little bit smaller, but you will see the kids playing around. The very, very small ones would come on this one. There's a next one here, a little bit taller. Swing song there as well. That's a smaller type of swing song for the smaller kids. And as I walk, I'm going towards the restroom area. I like to have a look inside and see how it looks. So there's the male and the female, and I will be going in the male one, obviously. So there we go. Quick look around. Very small, and it says the bathroom. I think it's more appropriate to say restroom, because there's nothing to bathe in there, so it's not a bathroom, it's a restroom. It's a technical term there. So there, sometimes you will see turtles. I guess there are none here. Sometimes you will also see iguanas. I've never done a video with the iguanas before. I'm gonna try to do one. So this is for the smaller kids. Based on how you see the swing song is set, it's closer to the ground, so it's fair to assume, or fair to say, that the smaller kids come here because they can easily go on the swing song. There's I would think this is called a seesaw, where you sit on one side, a person sit on the other side, and you go up and down. It's easier to do it when the two persons are close in weight to each other, rather than one is extremely heavier than the other. And I'm going up to the volleyball court, and here you have a lot of volleyballs play here in the volleyball season, and also in the night as well. And there, the lights go in the night time. You can play volleyball because the light will come on. And there's also the stands there. When the volleyball season is in effect, it's really buzzing here at night time. There's also an active league that plays here as well. And I'm also a big fan of volleyball. My wife plays volleyball as well, or played volleyball. She was very good at it, and she knows the rules, so by default I have to love volleyball. So I'm just heading out now. I'm gonna look to see if I can see any planes passing, because I ain't coming here without showing you what it looks like when the plane is going up or coming down. Normally I come here out of my schedule for the departure and arrival of planes. If you come here without, then you'll be waiting in vain. There's an app that tells you the arrival and departure of the plane, but apparently I came here on the least busy day, or the slowest day in the airport. But that's how it goes. I'm just here waiting to see if I can see a plane. If I would come here on like a Saturday or a Sunday, well, Friday to Sunday, then you'll find airplane flying left, right, and center here. But oh, here is one. Touchdown, and that's a lightweight plane. So the plane comes from the right of my screen, which is the eastern side, and lands the west. There are times the wind will change, and the plane would have to come from the eastern side. It comes in eastbound. I think I made a mistake a while ago. So the plane comes from the western side and comes in eastbound. So for me, I'm here just waiting to see if another plane will come. And as you see, the weather changed on me, because it's a long wait to see a plane. I had to even cut some of the footage because of the long wait. Here it comes. Beautiful sight of the plane touching in. And touchdown. That's Cayman Airways plane, and Cayman Airways is the national flyer of the Cayman Islands. So I caught one coming in. Now, this waiting took me almost an hour now, so I'm waiting on the plane, and this one now is departing. And I must admit, this took me a long time to wait. Sun comes up and different crowd comes in. So this one is leaving. No, I think. So that has gone now. What I didn't catch was when the plane was coming down to the end of the runway before it leaves. But normally what it do, it comes
Yeah, man.
from the. I'm also lucky enough to catch a helicopter coming in.
This is the departure one. You have an app where you can use.
So
I'm
I'm gonna watch it carefully as it comes down.
The app here, but me not have the data, that's why.
And
I'm gonna screenshot it first. Yeah.
skillfully lands. And there it goes.
Okay.
I think I had enough now, so
Everything to the,
meet up with these gentlemen. They are putting on an event in the airport park, so I want to go and look, and you'll see the kids playing on the equipment that are there. So I guess it's really a treat for the kids, as I said before, to get them out of the house, play around and soak up the sun. If there is not, though there are not a lot of islands, it's really hot. And that's a plot there, or logo of the volleyball league that is played. But they normally take down the net. I'm not sure why, but they always keep it secured, and in the night time they put it out back and get the game going. So I'm heading out now. I think you guys have seen a good view of the airport park. There's some kids coming in, so I'm gonna let them come through. So I'm heading out, guys, and this is where I leave it. So I do hope you enjoyed watching this program as much as I enjoyed taking it to you. And if you do have a comment or suggestions, you can also leave it in the description or in the comments box. So from Tech the Things, this is Duke Rick once more, and I am saying be safe and peace out.